Before commissioning the system, once downloaded, sign into the app using the same credentials associated with your training portal account. Before commissioning the system, check the system according to the Power On checklist in the FranklinWH System Commissioning Guide. Step 1. Verify that all breakers installed in the A gate are in the off position. Step 2. Verify that the A gate power switch is in the on position. Step 3. If an external EPO, emergency power off switch, is installed, verify it is in the off position. Remove the EPO jumper from the A gate if no EPO switch is installed. Step 4. Turn on the A power and verify that the front LED strip is illuminated. Using your mobile device, tap on the FranklinWH app tile to launch. Enter your installer, account name, and password. Tap Sign In to continue. Tap New if commissioning a system for the first time. Systems that have not been fully commissioned can be accessed by tapping the Continue button. Next, tap Network Settings. Connect to the A gate using the hotspot or Bluetooth options. In this example, we will connect to the A gate hotspot. Tap on the A gate hotspot, AP, followed by the last 9 digits of the A gate serial number, and enter the default password. If using the Bluetooth connection, tap on available devices to connect. Enter the default password and tap Confirm. Please note that the default password is the 12 digits after the A gate serial number. Tap Next to configure the Wi-Fi connection. From the configuration menu, locate the customer's Wi-Fi network. Once the correct network has been selected, enter the password and tap Next. Tap Configure Ethernet if no Wi-Fi is available. Verify the network is connected and tap Next. If a poor connection is detected, tap Troubleshooting. Select the number of A power units associated with the A gate and tap Pairing. Verify that the A power serial number displayed matches the A power installed. All installed A power units should be displayed. Tap Next to continue. Tap Confirm to disconnect from the A gate hotspot and connect to the homeowner's Wi-Fi network. Then tap Next. Enter the installation location details and tap Next. Tap Solar Setting. Then tap the slider to confirm solar is installed and enter the total system size. If a meter kit or AP box is installed, tap on the applicable name. If no accessories are installed, verify that neither is selected. If a secondary solar meter CT is installed, tap to enable and enter the rated solar power. Tap the Enable slider and enter the max power limit if the A gate is allowed to export solar to the grid. Refer to the Split CT installation guide in the FranklinWH online document section for detailed configurations. If A gate solar split CTs were installed, tap to enable and enter the rated solar power. Tap the slider to enable utility grid split CTs if installed. If the secondary solar meter and utility grid split CT are enabled, the accessories for the utility grid split CT option will be available. Select the applicable accessories for the utility grid split CT option and tap Confirm. From the System Parameters menu, select the system's grid connection and tap Confirm. If grid connected, select the Service Combiner Breaker Rated Current and tap Confirm. If applicable, select the A power rated output power, then tap Confirm. It's important to note that the A power rated output power will be 11.5 kVA or 10 kilowatts by default. Please refer to the FranklinWH System Installation Guide for more information. If the optional main load relay is installed, select Yes. Select the service voltage and tap Confirm. On the Mode page, select the system operating mode. If grid charging is not allowed, select No. Select only solar if there is no storage export. If grid charging is permitted, select Yes and enter the max charging rate. Tap next to continue. If storage export is permitted, select Solar plus A power and enter the max export rated power. SGIP and ITC will appear for systems installed in California. If applicable, select the customer status, enter the contract start date, and tap Save. Battery bonus and BYOD will appear for systems installed in Hawaii. If applicable, tap the slider to enable and enter the battery bonus contract information. Select the applicable local grid profile and tap Next. User-defined should only be selected if the local grid profile is unavailable. Enter the customer's information into the appropriate fields. Select the financier and distributor if necessary. Tap Bind, then tap Complete. If changes need to be made, tap Unbind to edit and repeat the binding process. Before turning on the FranklinWH equipment, please check the system according to the Power On checklist located in the FranklinWH System Commissioning Guide. Step 1. Verify that all breakers installed in the A gate are in the off position for initial use. Step 2. Verify that the A gate power switch is in the on position. Step 3. If an external EPO switch is installed, verify it is in the on position. If no EPO switch is installed, reinstall the EPO plug and jumper from the A gate. Step 4. Verify that the A power on-off switch is in the on position. Step 5. Turn on all A power breakers. Step 6. After 60 seconds, if the A power has power output, it has successfully started without connecting to the grid. Step 7. If the grid is normal, turn on the A gate grid breaker. After 5 minutes, the grid relay will close. The grid icon on the FranklinWH app home screen will indicate that the system is successfully connected to the grid. Step 8. Turn on the solar breaker and verify PV production on the FranklinWH app system page. Step 9. Turn on all other A gate breakers. This may include a backup loads breaker, smart circuits module breakers, or generator module breaker. The following information will detail the commissioning of the optional FranklinWH AP box. In the System Parameters menu, tap Solar Setting. Then, tap AP box. Tap Access Mode and select the applicable option. If Load Site is selected, select the number of AP box connections. Next, enter the solar rated power and tap Confirm. After system activation is complete, tap Settings from the system landing page. Tap Add Accessories. Tap AP box and enter the serial number or scan the QR code. Tap Complete to bind the AP box. Refer to the AP box installation guide in the FranklinWH online document section for more information and detailed configurations. The following information will detail the commissioning of the optional Smart Circuits module for the FranklinWH A-Gate 1.3. After system activation is complete, tap Settings from the system landing page. Then, tap Add Accessories. Tap Smart Circuits and enter the serial number or scan the QR code. Tap Complete to bind. From the Settings page, tap Smart Circuits. After reading the feature description, tap Next. Configure Smart Circuits 1 and 2 for either 120 or 240 volt use. Tap Next. Tap on the circuit to edit. Tap Next to continue. If applicable, tap the SOC threshold slider to enable. Adjust the SOC slider to set the percentage at which the associated circuit will turn off. If applicable, tap the timer button to enable timing schedule and enter the relevant information. Tap execution time for additional settings. Tap Confirm to continue. Smart circuits can be turned on and off from the app for feature testing. Confirm Smart Circuit function. Smart Circuit 3 can be configured to support metered electrical schedule settings for EV charging. If applicable, tap Metered Electricity. Enter the pre-charge amount and start time for EV charging. The circuit will turn off automatically once the set pre-charge amount is reached. Please refer to the Smart Circuits Module Installation Guide in the FranklinWH online document section for more information and detailed configurations.
For whatever reason, yesterday they decided that they were going to cancel that account.
The following information details the commissioning of the optional generator module for the FranklinWH A-Gate 1.3.
2 days ago, so they naturally assumed that we left something fucked
After
up.
system activation is complete, tap Settings from the system landing page. Then tap Add Accessories.
Kind of felt bad about it, but it is what it is.
Tap Generator and enter the serial number or scan the QR code. Then tap Complete to bind. Next, tap Generator. After reading the feature description, tap Installation. Review the generator wiring instructions and tap Next. Tap Starting Control Type. Then select the applicable control type and tap Confirm. When selecting the operating mode, Manual is enabled by default. Tap Schedule to enable and open the scheduling settings page. Move the operating range slider to adjust the SOC upper and lower limits. Tap Operating Time if applicable. Use the time period slider to set generator start and end run times. Tap Confirm to complete. After installation successful is displayed, tap Next. Tap Settings on the generator landing page. Tap Generator Exercise. Then tap the Generator Exercise slider to enable. Enter the applicable settings and tap Confirm to complete. For more information and detailed configurations, please refer to the Generator Module Installation Guide in the FranklinWH online document section.
That's what she was saying. She was like, everybody said.
The following information will detail commissioning the vehicle to load option for the FranklinWH A-Gate 1.3.
Good luck, I'll send you an invoice.
Please note that the V2L feature requires the installation of the optional generator module for the A-Gate 1.3.
With Jordan, she give me a discount.
After system activation is complete, tap Settings from the system landing page. Then tap Vehicle to load. Next, tap Disable to access the vehicle settings page. Tap the Vehicle to load slider to enable. Tap Startup Timeout. Next, enter the desired startup timeout in seconds. This will check the voltage and frequency of the V2L input. Tap Auto Monitoring. Then set the vehicle output rated power. This will activate the system's overcurrent protection.
Yeah. Well, and I've noticed that with some of these newer restaurants.
Tap Start to view the V2L status. Confirm the status of the V2L function. Tap Stop to turn off V2L and return to the main screen. For more information, please refer to the Vehicle to Load section in the FranklinWH System Commissioning Guide.
Makes it very hard to grow, too. Yeah. And it's a hard business to get.
This concludes the FranklinWH System Commissioning overview. Thank you for your participation.